Yes, that's my new intro. I'm gonna start that intro. That's my new intro. It's gonna be yo, what's up, man? So I'm gonna do my third or second vlog. It's been a long time since I've done a vlog, so why not? I'm just gonna do a vlog, and yeah, my friends been telling me to like upload more videos. I love your videos. I said thanks. Please support me. I just spit all over the place, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna vlog around that tree, or tell you guys about where I have been and not making kind of videos. So yeah, let's get right into this. So I'm right here near this tree. As you can see, my mom's there inside. Hey! So I'm gonna just sit here. Oh, right now we're in Bangkok. As you guys didn't know, I live in Thailand and it's so very hot. Do I even English, bro? So I'm in Bangkok, and Bangkok is like near our house. It's like just 20-minute drive. So I'm here near the market. There's my mom's car. Look at that, 11-year-old, because now it's 2018. And this is gonna be a pretty short vlog. I know, pretty short vlog. I'm gonna draw something actually. I'm gonna draw a heart. Oh no, you're back. Okay, do it. Say hi. Hi. So, well, goodbye tree. I'm gonna enter the car. My mom's car, dude. I'm gonna stay at the front. Did you say hi to the fans? Say hi to the fans.
Hi.
Hey, that's Phil, right?
This is Baby Dino.
Baby Deans.
Baby Dino.
You copy Alex Wasabi, dude.
This is actually plushie number 1.
Question number 1.
Plushie number
Say, cause now Wasabi, I'm a Wasabi. Yes, I use this kind of camera, very old. I dropped this and my mom dropped it, right? Did you drop it? She dropped it! How many times?
A few times.
A few times! I dropped 2 times. Great. So, here, look, it's like windy and stuff. Purple flowers.
Yeah, that's my favorite color.
Oh, more purples.
Oh, that's my favorite color.
Which one do you guys like more? Oh no! Oh, you cannot see it anymore. Well, you just kind see it. Yay, there it is. Which one do you like more, green or purple? Okay. What is your favorite color? Comment down below, please. I just really want to know.
My favorite
Now we're driving.
My favorite
Oh, yeah.
color is purple.
Look at all the cars.
My second favorite is blue. My third favorite is pink.
Your third favorite is pink.
My fourth favorite is yellow.
So we're just gonna come to the eating place. So yeah, the eating place, you just go front here, huge traffic jam here, man. You better get that out of here. So we just go on ahead, and then here the eating place, the restaurant. So a little puppy there. So they're still celebrating New Year. Bruh, New Year's already over. So New Year's like a few weeks ago, right? Right, dudes? Yeah, I think. Wait, dude, you left your crown on the table, dude. So it's been 4 minutes. Oh, oops. So I'm gonna vlog. Probably a pretty short one, as I said from the beginning. Hey. 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 I can see myself. Hey. I can see myself. So, yeah, here's our food. There you go. Do you guys want to eat it? Do you guys want to eat it? It looks actually pretty good. I'm gonna try this. We call it namtok. If you guys are American, you eat it.
Actually, it's spicy pork salad.
But in Thai, you call it namtok. Hey, send this to American
Why is
people.
namtok? Because it's not a minced pork. The pork is in
But
pieces.
why you call it
If-
namtok?
Namtok, if
Because it's like waterfall.
I don't know. Maybe they related something to the waterfall.
I don't know. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite of the namtok and this vegetable. Of course, you guys should stay healthy. Healthy. Or I'm just gonna eat like this. Okay, cheers, guys.
Almost fall out of the door. Fine, then I'll not explain because you are not listening. I'll not explain because you
Not.
Say move to sit near
Oh,
mama.
delicious.
Say move to near mama. Move your chair.
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, I need some more. Don't really like garlic, so I'm gonna take some
Say move here.
another pork. If you guys are eating with me, thanks, because I don't want to be the odd one. The odd one's out. Hey.
Please eat vegetable.
Okay. Cheers. This is good. Cheers. In real life, it sounds like it's very noisy around here because, as you guys know, Thailand's really noisy.
Tell me how many minutes?
It's been around 6 minutes of recording, but I'm gonna do a like 10-minute. That's a normal vlog. So I'm gonna set the camera right here, and I'm gonna. So of course everyone should eat to survive. And here another spicy pork. Look at that. Gonna eat it. And then cabbage. It's good.
And this is your sister food.
Nice noodle. With the cabbage, it tastes a little weird. So I like with the greener. What do you call it, Mama? What do you call it? This thing.
Cabbage.
Wait, they're the same cabbage. Okay, I guess. Okay, this one is the one which I like. First, let me get some pork. Here, I already have on my plate. I can see that. Okay, here one pork. I'm gonna eat it. Cheers, guys. Vegetables. Cheers.
Hello.
อ๋อสวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
Hello, Tomomi.
ข้าว
Tell her what you are doing.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Vlogging.
I'm vlogging. It's a vlog.
It's a vlog. Not vlog, not walk, but vlog.
Yes. That's what YouTubers do.
งานเว้ย
อะไรค่ะหนู
ก๋วย
มา
เตี๋ยว
สั่ง
ไหม
กับข้าวไปบ้าน
โอ้ประมาณ
แล้วคนนี้ไม่ทาน
นี่ไงกำลังป้อน
อ๋อ
การ
ต้องป้อน
ตามสบายค่ะพี่น้อง
ครับ
That was delish. I'm gonna take more actually. Does it look spicy? It looks okay to me. But when you taste it, it tastes so good. Cheers. Cheers.
Say have some chicken bread. Yes.
What's wrong with you, dude? What's wrong with you?
This is chicken blood.
Oh yeah.
Have you ever tried?
That's some sexy chicken blood right there. Find some more. There you go, another one.
I want cold water.
Cold
But
water.
why,
Chicken blood.
Mama, why American chicken blood looks a little bit more red and ours looks brown?
ไม่ควรเจอไปเยอะ
This
ๆ
is
ไป
cooked.
ใช้บุตเตอร์มาเยอะ
Okay, I guess cook is brown. Oh, okay. Okay.
เอาเตอร์มาเยอะเลย
Get the water for your sister.
Okay, so
Follow the moment.
I'm gonna go and get water. Okay. I need water. So check this out. It's gonna be difficult with one hand. I'm gonna try. Do your cap, okay? Because I have to carry this, okay? The cap.
But I'm carrying the Dino.
Okay, so our cap. Get out. There you go. And then I'm carrying this. And then now we got a cup of cold water. Of course, you gotta drink cold water. And this is a very hot place, so you gotta drink cold things. Okay, luckily flies didn't touch
You're not
my food. Gonna drink now. Cheers, guys.
My friend is wet.
It's okay.
Seriously, dude. Cheers, another. Oh yeah, that's not nice fresh cold water. It's like having dinner, but the sky is still a little bit blue. Oh yeah, get a lot of sauce up in there. Oh yeah, that's a nice amount. Cheers, guys. Some cabbage.
Don't show your face. Look at my poor broken crown.
Eat that. Eat that. I don't like this kind of vegetable. It tastes weird to me. How could you eat it? But
With this kind of food, you can eat it.
I prefer cabbage.
Tastes better.
I like cabbage more. But one thing I don't like about it is one of my tooth is wiggling, and when the hard part, like the stem, touch my tooth, it's like hurt. Let's set the camera here. Oh, cheers, guys. So I guess that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I'm getting a little bit filled up here, but not yet full. I'm gonna do that in another vlog. So I'm gonna eat. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye. Chicken for the win, man.
Subscribe you back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
chicken.
Not really.
Yeah.
Why'd you say that, dude? Oh yeah, some nice chicken, guys. Want to eat?
Swinging.
Swinging chicken. It's a lie. It's chicken noodle soup. Actually, that does look like chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, ขอใส่ค่ะ
Yeah. So I hope you guys please like and sub. So yeah, bye guys.
Sit down.
You guys gotta eat a vegetable. Okay, bye. I'm not messing around.